What's up, guys? We're back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna put my grandfather's boat in the water for him. He's gonna be going with him. I'm just helping him out. Might be driving, might not be driving. I'm not sure. All depends on his mood. So we gotta do that. Sadly, if you don't know, if you're an older member of the channel, I did have a boat. My boat sunk, half sunk, and I had to sell it. Long story short, it's gone. So after that, we're gonna go help my grandfather with some things. I gotta go weld some things for him, and then after that, we got a brand new welder that we're gonna check out after we get back home. That's really cool. We got a lot of cool projects to do with it, as well with the go-kart and LS Frank. So we're back from the boat, guys. Boat went well. I still was driving. We didn't show too much because it was just docking it. That was really it. Just going from there to one spot, and that was really it. So what we're doing right now is I'm gonna be cutting up some metal right here. This is 4-foot steel. What was it? 1 inch by 3/16. We're gonna not be doing any welding on this metal right here. I actually have to chop this up for my grandfather because I think I could take it to his house and actually I could have just welded all the pieces here, but oh well. But yeah, chop all this, and then we're going to his house. He has all the stuff I need to do to make these handles for this guy. He can't weld anymore, so I weld for him. But he has all those sheets and specs stuff for to make the handles. I think I can memorize it by now, but I don't know why it doesn't give it to me to do it. But who knows? So yeah, so chop up this into 16 pieces. Then we're gonna jump into welding, cutting and chopping up this guy, and we're gonna do some tests with this welder here. See how good welder it is. I don't know. I haven't played with it too much, so we're gonna try with the arc, probably try with the TIG, and try with the MIG, and probably try with a little bit of all of it. So I gotta see how much gas I have left too, because I don't know how much gas I have left in my what do you call it? Tank. Inside of my tank right here. How much gas do I have left? Let's see. Oh, we got plenty of gas. I think that's a brand new tank basically. So all right. So yeah. So I'm gonna chop up that, and then yeah, we'll get into more welding. Alright, boys and girls, we got 6 pieces here laid out here, so we just gotta chop those up with an angle grinder. If we use this nice little nice little PC here for a nice little workbench to cut it on. What the hell are you doing? What? I'm cutting up my metal right here. You got cut it for the grandfather. On my computer? Really? Well, why are you doing it on my computer? What? Why could you do it on the table? Yes, the computer's not even, it's old. It's freaking 12, 15, or there's freaking no guts even in it. And why does it matter? It doesn't matter if it's 12, 15, 30 years old. It's my freaking computer. What are you doing? Well, why are you wearing a coat when it's freaking 90 degrees out? It doesn't matter. My jacket has nothing to do with anything right now. You're using the computer. It doesn't matter if it's old or not. You're not supposed to be cutting on the computer. I'm not gonna cut your computer. I'm not gonna cut it. Just relax. Just relax. I got this. Oh! No! All right, so after that commotion, we got all 8 pieces. Or 8, no. We got 6 out of each one. So we got all 12 of these bars all made. So now we just gotta bring it to my grandfather's. And he has all the stuff for me to weld it on and do all that stuff. So we're done with this. Now we're gonna move on to playing with that machine over there. All right, guys, so I got this all cleaned up. I got this piece right here, which I do got to clean up a little bit. That's hot, actually right now, that's burning hot. But, so I'm gonna see, I don't know if I'm gonna do TIG yet. I already did TIG. I'll show you guys what TIG does. So TIG, I've already done a nice big weld for, which I think I've done in a video in the past. If I can't find the video, I'll throw it in this clip right here. So this is, what is this, 1/4 inch steel, I think it is. I think it's 1/4 inch. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 1/4 inch steel each. So this was able to weld into 1/4 inch steel, basically a 1/2 inch of steel right here. Nicely, strong enough. I use this to lift up an engine, 3,500 pound engine. So we ended up not using it, but we did lift it up with the engine, and this thing did hold together very nicely. No cracks in the weld, nothing like that. So definitely the machine does very good with that. So maybe we'll try out some MIG. I don't think I've done MIG yet in this, so you know what? Let's try arc, because arc is the one thing, like, actually very dirty. Arc's very dirty. Some smell of the basement. It's not really healthy to breathe in. Well, we'll decide. We'll decide soon. Alright, so as right now, I can't find a thing for arc, if there is actually arc on it. So we're actually just gonna do some, what do you call it? Some what do you call that damn thing? MIG welding. We're gonna try that out, see how that works on the machine. I've never tried on this yet, so see how it goes and see if it's any good or not. Alright guys, so we're going to be doing arc welding here. So I was going to do MIG, but I need a different gas connector on here to do MIG. So, oh well, we got the arc right here. So I got some rods. We're gonna go in here, figure out the settings on this thing here. So we're not using gas, that's shut off, right? Yep. Alright, so we're gonna be going to welding mode, as in cut, not TIG, stick. Alright, so there's amps. Alright, so we're gonna control by how many amps do we have? We have 200 amps, alright. I don't think we're gonna need that many amps. Alright, so we don't need any step mode. No gas, no that. Alright, that's good enough there. Now I just gotta figure out how to set up down here, because this is the part that's a pain in the butt. And I'm assuming we just get our nice little rod. We don't need a thick rod, we just need a thin rod. Alright, nice little thin rod. I'll get a thick rod out just in case, but I think we only need a thin rod for this piece of metal. Alright, got you guys set up right here, which I should set you guys probably up over here. I'm gonna weld it up right here, but we're gonna set this up just like that. Should be let you guys be able to see what's going on exactly, and hope I don't burn my hand doing this. Alright, where's the welding mask? Way too much I think amperage right now. A little too much amperage. I'm gonna cut that down to 45. Alright. Alright. So far so good though. That's like the easiest arc I've ever done. Too cold. That one's too cold. Alright. The next one should be just right. That's like going real quick. All right, so the little ones are going like real quick. So I think I might need the bigger one. Let's try the bigger one real quick. But real quick, actually, we're gonna break the slag. This. Oh boy, that did not weld well. That did not weld wood, and do not pick that up because it is probably ouchies right now. What happened? What went wrong? Thing not hot enough, actually. I think I'm just also not using a big enough rod. So I think it does need like I think it needs about 90 amps probably. Just, I'm not using hot enough, a thick enough thing to actually keep up with the weld. Alright, that welded actually. let's test out how well that held up. Yeah, well, I'll say that welded pretty well. Let's see. Let's do the drop test. Oh, I'll say that's pretty solid. Oh, sorry guys, I just welded this without you. So, all right. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a bead. Wow! Holy shit, that scared me. I'm gonna run a bead straight down the line and then just show you guys how good this control this has. Oh boy, I think that's fried. That's a little fried. Can you arc weld with this machine? I think it's very, very possible to learn arc welding. I'm really not interested in arc welding too much, so I'm not like that interested going like really into it. I like to try it, I like to do it. I would love to try to do it again, actually kind of get good eventually, but for what I can say about this machine is if you want to do arc welding, 100% recommend it. It's definitely like, I was never able to get a weld like that. Like it's an ugly weld, don't judge my arc weld. But, you know, but even on this side here, like don't judge it, but I was never able to get like a nice clean weld with arc welding on the machine. It just never worked, never was good. This, I at least felt like there was some control. You just gotta fine tune your control with arc welding. It's I know it's a very fine art when you learn it. So, with that being said, definitely recommend this machine for arc welding. It's definitely cool. So far, TIG arc welding's pretty cool. I just gotta figure out what I gotta do for the connectors to do the plasma cutting. And actually, the plasma cut, I think I know what I gotta do for that. But the for the MIG, I gotta get some adapter or stuff like that to get to my gas bottle and to get that all situated. So yeah. So other than that, I think that's gonna be it for this video because I need to do a couple things still to, other than this stuff. And this I can probably catch up on. I don't have to be doing daily. I'm doing daily videos, but I'm on daily videos. Like this video is what I made today. So yeah, so let me see if I can get any other videos made, and yeah, so go from there. Like I said, just chill out with me a little bit here, and listen, I want to make more of it entertaining, which we will be getting things more entertaining. So hang in with me there, guys. Like I said, we're gonna get better at this stuff and get this thing going. So that being said, guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like down below if you guys found this interesting or you want to see more of this welder and exactly what else you could do, because like I said, we're going to be doing plasma cutting and MIG welding next. And then probably do TIG welding, do a little more TIG welding and really do some like, you know, stress test on it. Like some really like nice thick iron thick tests to see how much amperage before this thing says FU and goes off and does its own thing. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Kind of really want to see with the welder. Subscribe to the channel. Do what you do for dreams. Don't like anyway. I'll see you guys next one. Just stay Maverick.